Ever for WhatsApp is a powerful tool that allows you record WhatsApp calls automatically. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Open Ever for WhatsApp. Locate the Ever for WhatsApp icon on your computer's home screen. The Ever status will change to ready once it connected to WhatsApp. Now you can initiate a WhatsApp call. This could be a voice call or a video call. When the call is in progress, Ever for WhatsApp will detect it and record the call automatically if you have enabled the auto-recording feature. When the WhatsApp call is over, it will stop recording automatically, and it will save the recording to the selected location on your computer. You can play it directly using your computer default media player or any other compatible audio-video player.